Should pop-up drink stands budget differently for summer and winter? Yes, a pop-up drink stand absolutely should budget differently for summer and winter because customer demand, ingredient costs, and even staffing needs shift dramatically between the two seasons, and treating both seasons the same way on paper usually leads to wasted money or missed profit. Think of it like packing a suitcase for two totally different trips. In summer, people want cold drinks like lemonade, iced tea, and fruit slushes, so you need more ice, more cups, and more fruit. And you probably need extra staff on hot weekends because lines get long fast. In winter, folks want warm drinks like hot chocolate, cider, and spiced coffee, so your ingredient list flips completely, and your equipment needs change too since you might need insulated cups or small heaters instead of ice machines. Something a lot of people do not realize is that sugar and syrup costs can actually spike in winter because warm drink recipes often use richer syrups and more expensive spices compared to simple summer fruit mixes. Another hidden cost is propane or electricity for heating equipment, which many new stand owners completely forget to budget for until their first cold month hits. A smart move is creating two separate simple spreadsheets, one labeled warm season and one labeled cold season, so you are not guessing halfway through the year. This way you always know your ingredient costs, staffing needs, and expected sales ahead of time instead of scrambling. One big thing to watch is foot traffic patterns, since summer festivals and outdoor events bring huge crowds, but winter often means fewer outdoor events, so plan smaller inventory orders to avoid spoilage, and always check local event calendars a month ahead. Another important caution is perishable ingredients, since fresh fruit spoils quickly in summer heat, so buy in smaller frequent batches instead of bulk buying. Lastly, do not forget seasonal permit differences, since some cities require different health permits for hot versus cold beverage stands, so always confirm with your local health department before switching your menu each season. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.